up, guys? Welcome to another video of mine. We're here right now in my home, and for today's video we're actually going to be working in the new garage setup. I haven't even organized my garage or anything. I haven't even taken a lot of tools out, put them away, but I'm just very excited because now that the CRX is literally right down the road, I've just been super motivated. And then reaching out to two other CRX with carburetors, just reaching out, trying to get a bit of help and some pictures of everyone else's setup just to compare and see what might be wrong with mine. I got a lot of help and I was tinkering with it a little bit, made some progress. So I went ahead to Advanced Auto Parts, grabbed some spare vacuum lines and some other caps and stuff to try something else, and I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys with me and we're gonna see what happens. I'm very excited and it's gorgeous outside and I don't have to drive an hour to go to my car. I'm so excited that I have a garage space here. Very thankful and very excited. Okay, let's go. Perfect. So here she is in all of her might and glory in our garage. So basically what we have here is a vacuum line that I had hooked up here to this intake. The brake booster here was also here on this intake. And then we also had two little, I don't know, I'm gonna call them like nipples, that's what I've been calling them. One is a PCV valve and one which goes to the control, no, one is a PCV valve, which is a vacuum. And then one is it's called a two-way valve. And the two-way valve is this one, and it goes into a control box, like vacuum emissions control for a fuel-injected model. This one is the one that has vacuum to it, and I had them both hooked up to a T together. And my theory is that when I timed it, it was getting not the right vacuum, so then the timing was off. So a lot of you guys did say that the timing was off, which was just really confusing to me because I had done the timing several times. It wasn't perfect, but it was close enough. And I got it running, but maybe that is why it's not running correctly. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that, cap off some vacuum things, and see what happens. Like I said, it already sounds like a billion times better than what it did last time. So I fixed the vacuum lines, seems way better. I'm gonna go ahead and time the engine, retime it, and make sure it's just as perfect as it can be. And then once I time it, I'm gonna take her just for a quick spin, kind of see how she reacts. And then I will probably have to readjust like the idling on the individual carbs themselves because I adjusted them with bad timing. But she sounds way better already. Like, oh my god, this is the best she's ever sounded. So I guess halfway through I broke my timing light because you guys saw I dropped it. I mean, it was like 10 bucks anyway, but so I've timed it to what I think sounds way better already. So now I want to go ahead and actually take you for a little spin around the parking lot. Matt, do you want to come?
Yes.
Matt wants to come too. It'll be fun. Fun. So far, so good. These poor people have been hearing me run around all day.
Hear my success.
Whee! Oh, backfire. Okay. showing me that it runs rich as fuck. Or more rich. Oh, backfire.
Maybe a little too rich.
It's maybe a little too rich, but that can be something that I can adjust on the carbs themselves. See? So we are here back at the garage. I'm very, very excited because that is the best that the CRX has ever run since I have had her, and I'm very excited about it. It still kind of runs a little lean and rich here and there, so I'm going to try and sync up the carbs together. That's step number one, obviously, since now it's been retimed. I'm going to try that, and then the other possibilities that might be wrong with it are the jets themselves, because I didn't replace them, I just kind of cleaned them, but a lot of people recommend actually replacing the jets when you rebuild your carburetors. But, you know, we've made progress today, and that alone I'm very excited for. So thank you so much for tuning into this quick little video. Hope y'all love my little CRX build update, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!